Today I'll show you how to fix an iPhone that's frozen on loading screens, or just frozen in general, and how to restart it without using the buttons. So first, let's look at why this might be happening. It could be because you have too much storage space used up. If you go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, and if it's really full, then these kinds of issues can occur. Also, try simply plugging your phone into charge. Yeah, before we do all this stuff. So basically put it on charge. After that, I also recommend checking the settings, and if nothing helps, try doing a reset. But first, of course, you need to back up all your important files to another storage location before resetting the iPhone. You can reset specific functions, or you can do a complete reset. So, to restart it, even if your screen isn't working, you need to press volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. There, and hold it. Keep holding. Even if nothing lights up, just keep holding it. I'm still holding it, and there, it turned off. There. Now let's try turning it on. You can also reset or restore the phone by connecting it to a computer where there are programs for recovery. This has been bye everyone.